Have you been searching for country? Well, I have a classic canyon cutie for you that I am confident that you could make your own. It has over 17 acres. Take a look.
Located right outside of Canyon, this is a great home with 17 acres. Oh, the possibilities. You will be impressed by the land with trees south of the home's front yard. The 3-bedroom home with over 1,300 square feet is a great place with a nice floor plan, spacious living, formal dining, and a sunroom that could be an office. There's a covered back patio overlooking the acreage. Several homes could be built here, or add a large shop, or even barn or arena. You choose.
The home has character, and the property will complement your comfortable lifestyle. Oh, the possibilities. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.